Hi all, this is Sampath. In the today video tutorial, I am going to show one of the very important and useful feature of Microsoft Edge. Okay, without any further delay, let's get started. Or anywhere on the Microsoft Edge, select Web Capture. Here we have three options: capture area, capture full page, web select. I'm going to select web select. When I select the web select, system automatically highlights the web content. Now I'm going to drag. Now click on copy option. Now I'm going to paste it on Word document. I'm going to paste here. See, now system automatically captured the image with hyperlink. Just press and hold the control key. Now click on that hyperlink. System automatically opens the respective web page. Now we can see the one more example. Just right click on the page, select web capture, click on web select, capture the screen, click on copy. Now paste it in Word document. I'm going to paste here. System capture the screen like this. Here we can type. Here we can see the icons. Here we can see the push buttons. In one more example, I will show how to copy these logos to PPT. Just right click, select web capture, click on web select, just drag like this. Now click on copy option. Now open PowerPoint, paste it here, just drag it down like this. Okay. Now just click on this line, just delete this line. Yes. Now our logos are ready. That's it today video tutorial. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.